Hey y'all, I'm back, and this time with my updated natural hair routine. As you can see, this is my hair before, and this is my hair after. Stay tuned so you can see how I achieve this look. Here are the products used throughout my routine. First off, we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo, Karen's Body Beautiful Sweet Ambrosia Leave-In Conditioner Unscented, Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino plus Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream, and finally Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Step 1 is to shampoo my hair. First, I wet my hair with warm water and lather on the Briogeo shampoo. The first time I used this product, I wasn't sure if I would like it. The suds were minimal and I was skeptical that it wouldn't cleanse my strands. However, I find the shampoo doesn't strip my hair and leaves my hair soft. I actually prefer it over the Briogeo Curl Charisma shampoo. Just know the lather is quite weird during the first couple of times using. After rinsing my hair with warm water, step 2 is to deep condition my hair with the Briogeo Deep Conditioning Mask. So as you can see, I parted my hair into a tiny section and then I went ahead and added the product. Whenever you're doing this, make sure that you get every single strand. So as you can see, I'm getting it from the root all the way down to the tips of my hair. If you have argan oil at home, you can also add argan oil drops into your deep conditioning mask for added moisture and shine. I also finger detangle, so I don't use a comb. I just feel like my fingers are way easier. Once I'm done applying the deep conditioning mask, I let my hair sit in a plastic cap for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you do not have a plastic cap, don't feel bad, just grab a plastic bag. For step 3, we will be using 2 different products. So before applying these products, dry your hair with a cotton t-shirt. This is to minimize frizz. Although you're drying your hair, remember you still want to leave your hair a little bit damp just so that it's easy to maneuver. Now, the first product is the Karen's Body Beautiful Leave-In Conditioner. You're going to apply this from the roots all the way down to the tips. And then your second product is going to be the Briogeo Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. Same as the leave-in conditioner, you're going to go ahead and apply this defining cream from the roots all the way down to the tips. I have tried to use these products individually, but I've just noticed that they work way better together. So the Karen's Body Beautiful leave-in, it really does add moisture to my hair. And then with the leave-in defining cream by Briogeo, I just noticed that it really tends to define and hold my curls throughout the day. I've completed one half of my hair and I want to go ahead and show you the difference between the two. On this side, you can see where the products have been applied, and then on this side, you can see where I don't have anything. Your final step is the easiest step, and that is to let your hair air dry. So I've applied the products to both sides, as you can see, and then after a few hours, this is what my hair transforms into. I have a lot of volume, my curls are defined, and it's super soft. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are interested in more hair videos. So I'll see y'all soon. Thanks for watching.